Hey,
Oh, hey, Linda.
hey, you want to 3D print something?
I don't know. Okay, the boss just said it's for business use only, so.
Yeah, but come on.
Alright, you talked me into it.